So I'm sharing my screen and I'll tell you how to upload the data.
Okay, sir.
Is my screen is visible?
Yes, yes, I can use it. Okay, sir.
So I have already shared the link as well as the login ID and the password. When you click the link,
Yes, sir.
this page will open. Here you have to put the login ID which I have already provided you, as well as the password. When you put it all, you need to sign in.
Okay. Okay.
Then you'll reach here where you'll find reporting, exhibition, pre-meeting. So this whole process is divided into three parts. One is the exhibition, one is reporting, and one is front end. So I'll tell you how to upload the data. You need to click on exhibition. Then you need to click on stall. Then you need to click edit stall. Here you will find your booth name. You need to go to edit. And click on edit button. Then you will find your company name. So please make sure this box has to be checked like this. Then you need to click next. If you need to change a logo, you can choose from your system. You can edit it. Then next. So here is the box where you can put your link, which will play on your Plasma screen. So please make sure it has to be a YouTube link or Vimeo link. No any other link will support our platform. No MP4, nothing. Only YouTube link or Vimeo link supports the platform. Then you can put it here, your Facebook ID, URL, your LinkedIn URL, your Twitter, website URL, Instagram, or if you want to put any other your product YouTube link, you can put it here. You can make a Google form link for the feedback. You can paste the link here, or here you can put the keywords like your product in which segment, like medicine, machineries, or any specialized thing. So you can give the name of your product key, and then you need to submit it. When you submit it, you'll find details successfully added. Then there is another thing to upload your sales info here. You need to click sales info. Here you can add your staff. You need to select your booth name, the sales information, salesperson name, their designation, their email ID, the country code, mobile number. If you have your image, you can upload the images also. So here you can add 10 sales info person's name. Sorry, 5. So adding, clicking on this tab, you can add your 5 sales person's detail here. It will be saved on a front end as a digital business card, where the delegate can download and save the contact detail on their system as well as their mobile. Then I'll tell you how to upload some more data. Go back. Then here is the upload install data. Need to click here, add new document. So here you will find your company name. Click here. You need to select a document type like PDF, image, or video. Video again, please make sure it has to be Zoom, YouTube link or Vimeo link. Only Vimeo and YouTube link supports our platform. No other link support. And also, while uploading the PDF or image, please make sure it should not cross 10 MB each file. So here you can upload 10 images or 10 PDF and videos also. After putting this all, you need to click this button, status check, and need to submit. Then go back. Now this is a representative detail where you can add representative detail. Here you need to click add representative name. So here again you need to click your booth name, the person's name, representative name, the email ID, the country code, if they have a WhatsApp number, a Zoom link. If they have an image, they can upload their image also. Here you can upload 10, create 10 representative IDs, and with the same email ID, you have to log in to interact with the delegate, which you are putting email ID here. So I'll tell you how to go about it. One more important part. So this is the timeline, like event is starting 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock, whatever time. So whenever your representative login, they can set the time here, like they will be on booth from 9 o'clock to till evening 7 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So this whole session will divided into 30-minute slots. So when the delegate will come, they can find the slot and they can book slots from the front end. So if the slot is booked someone's delegate, so other will be able to book a slot. So that's why when your the representative will be there, if there is a 5 representative, so individually they can attend this slot. Then I'll show you how to go to front end and check out the details. Is my screen visible? Hello? Hello? So here you can write the email ID as per your representative, which you have entered in a representative place. You need to put a password, which is common for everyone. You need to submit it. Then you can click here to enter, or you can skip it. Then you need to go to the exhibition hall. So I'm logged in as a Linux. So I'll click on my booth, Linux. Then here, the YouTube link which you will provide, it will come here in your booth. Then your booth staff info, it will showcase here. So delegate can download here. The social media link will come here. The upload some another documents where you can upload it. The videos will come here. The PDF or images will come here. So when the people will come, they can click on view button and they can see that. So this is the tab, the book and appointment, which I told you. So delegate can book their slot from here, like 10 to 10:30. So like if they book it 10, so they will get half an hour slot for their meeting. Then this tab only your team can see with the login of their email ID. Here they can see who all are on your booth right now and all are attendees who have joined or visited your booth. If they want, they can chat with the team, with the delegate. They need to click chat. When they click the chat, the person has to accept first, then he will be able to chat with them. So I'll tell you how to get the reporting. So here you can see the reporting tab. You need to click on reporting. Total exhibited document downloads. Here it means the delegate have visited your booth and downloaded the data. Here you can find the list of the delegate. You can download it from export all. It will download in your system in Excel format. Here total exhibited document views means the delegate had visited your booth, have seen the total exhibited document views means the delegate had visited your booth. They have seen the document, but they have not downloaded. Same process, you can download all the data in Excel format while clicking the export all. Here you can see attendees exhibitor call schedule. So here you can find the detail. Those delegate have scheduled a call with you. The same process, you can download all the details while clicking this tab. So this is the complete demonstration of the data, how to platform, how to upload the data and the videos. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Abhishek.